as we celebrate National Science Day, we honor one of India's greatest scientists, C.V. Raman, whose curiosity and brilliance changed the world of physics forever. Sir Raman was not born into wealth, but he was rich in something far more powerful, a deep love for science. From a young age, he has been fascinated by the world around him. He asked questions, experimented, and never stops to explore. It was this passion that led him to discover something extraordinary. The Raman Effect explains how light changes when it passes to different material. This discovery earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics, making him the first Asian to receive this honor in the science. Sir Raman believed that science is not just a subject, it is a way of thinking, a way of improving the world. And that is exactly National Science Day reminds us. Science begins when you dare to ask why and grows when you ask what if. So on this special day, let us listen to the presentation of budding scientist of Muthamil Public School.
My name is Nikesh Kannal from 5th A and my topic is butterfly life cycle. The life cycle starts when a female butterfly lays egg on the leaf. These leaves hatches into a caterpillar. Caterpillar's main job is to eat and grow big. After growing enough, it covers its shell. This stage is called pupa. From outside, this stage might be still, but from inside, the insect is very busy in growing new parts. After the pupa opens and butterfly comes out. At the first, the butterfly wings are very soft and folded. It continues to supply blood to its wings to make them strong. After the wings are ready, it can fly, find food, and usually lay eggs on the leaves to start the life cycle again.
My name is A. Harishna from 5A. My topic is ear. The ear is one of the 5 sense organs. It helps us to hear the sounds and maintain balance in our body. In the ear, they are having 3 main parts: external ear, middle ear, and inner ear. That external ear only collects the sound waves and directs them into the auditory canal, and it passes through the middle ear. The middle ear has hammer, stirrup, and anvil. These bones will be amplify the sounds and sent into the inner ear. The inner ear has cochlear, which converts the sound into the signals, and the semicircular canal, which helps to maintain balance in our body. The auditory nerve carries signals from the ear to the brain, so we can hear the sounds and understand the sound. We should take care of our ear.
My name is Balaharni from grade 3C. This model is about water cycle. This model shows how water keeps moving around the earth in a cycle. Evaporation. The sun heats water in rivers, lakes and oceans. The water changes into vapor and rises up. Condensation. The vapor cools down high in the sky and forms clouds. Precipitation. When clouds become heavy, the water falls down as rain. Sometimes it becomes snow or hail. Collection. The rainwater goes back to rivers, ponds, lakes and oceans. Plants and soil also absorb some water. This cycle repeats again and again, giving us fresh water to drink.
My name is Jasindani. I am studying grade 4B. Today we are going to tell about muscular force. Force generated by the muscle contraction in humans or animals. Muscles pull the bones or object to move or organ. For example, lifting a book, bypass contract, kicking a ball, leg muscle contract.
My name is Rukaya, studying in grade 4B. I am here to explain about the working model of lungs. Lungs are like elastic balloons that expand and contract, which help us breathe. Inhalation. When you breathe in, your diaphragm moves down and your lungs expand. Air rushes through the windpipe, filling the lungs with oxygen. Gas exchange. Oxygen moves from lungs into blood and carbon dioxide moves from blood into lungs. Exhalation. When you breathe out, your diaphragm moves up and your lungs contract. Air and carbon dioxide rich air is pushed out. Parts of lungs. Trachea. Air enters through here. Bronchioles, smaller airway in lungs. Alveoli, tiny air sacs where gas exchange happens. Left lung and right lung.
My name is Vigjavini from 4th A. My topic is thunder and lightning. Light energy is a form of electromagnetic radiation that is visible to the human eye, traveling in waves at the fastest speed known in the universe. Users, clouds has thundered into the apartment.
Good morning, everyone. I am Brazil. My topic was balanced diet. Explain with my model. A balanced diet is a diet that contains the right proportion of all the nutrition required to maintain good health. It indicates we should choose wisely from wide variety of food from all food groups. Our body needs more carbohydrates and less fats. A balanced diet is a variety of according to the age, activities, gender, and health of a person. Thank you.